From the station working for you, this is a WRTV update.
I'm Mark Mullins, bringing you the latest WRTV headlines. The owner of a local funeral home chain is making dozens of at-home COVID-19 tests available to employees. David Ring with Indiana Funeral Care says his staff works closely with the public. They wear masks and socially distance, but want to take their precautions a step further during the holidays and the spread of Omicron.
We don't know who we're talking to, and we don't know if they know or if they do know and they're not telling us. So we want to provide the rapid tests for our staff before they go home to be with families. For us, we think it's something we need to do, but we've got a really close staff. Even though there's a lot of us, we care a lot about them.
As for the funeral business at this point of the pandemic, Ring says in November about 5% of the deaths they handled were from COVID. This month, Ring believes that number is up to 15% and could be even higher. The latest update from the State Department of Health shows close to 3,000 COVID patients being treated by Indiana hospitals. The state's largest hospital system, IU Health, says it was treating a total of 551 COVID patients as of Thursday. At the same time, IU Health says more than 300 employees were out with COVID or in quarantine. And that's why IU Health officials say they're grateful for military and National Guard teams that are now assisting 14 out of the system's 16 hospitals. Members of the National Guard are already working to transport patients, clean, and set up new beds. 20-person teams sent by FEMA from the U.S. Navy will eventually help treat patients once they're up to speed. The help will provide some relief for hospital staff.
Last year, our Christmas day didn't get out of the teens. A much different story this year. 58 will be our high for our Friday. Just some patchy drizzle out there and then a few showers as we go throughout our Christmas day on Saturday with temperatures in the lower 60s. Here's a look at those showers that will increase in coverage Friday night, and then it will last, especially as we go through the first half of our Saturday before things clear out a little bit. But it is an active weather pattern staying mild into next week.
Kyle, thank you. And for more news and weather anytime, just download the WRTV mobile app.